How to change character in First Descendant. In this video, I will show you how can you easily change characters in First Descendant game application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, at the moment, most of these options are tied to paid purchase or Twitch top. To customize your Descendant character, head to the Inventory tab and then enter the Customize tab, which offers the following option that you can make changes in your character. Those are Descendant skin, skin weapon, spawn, grabbing hawks, UI theme, name card, equiv skin, and emote. Using all this feature, you will be able to make changes to your character. To get new character, try completing most of the missions and you will be able to unlock new characters. So that's it. That is how easily you can change character in First Descendant game application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.